Hello everyone, this is Missy, and today I'm going to show you how to create your rate sheets. That'll be your main default rate sheet, custom rate sheets, and special ones for clients and resources if you like. So the first thing we'll do is go to your Utilities tab and then click on Default Rate Sheet. This is your main, basic, most commonly used rate sheet. I've already added some lines here, and as you can see, there's subheaders so you can separate the information. You can add and delete lines as necessary. You can add a second description or a comment. A comment is only seen by you though, not printed on the invoice. You'll add your attorney and resource rates here, and then a detailed explanation of these here on the right are for bonuses, mileage reimbursement, lines you want to hide from the resource or hide from the invoice. Alright, next we'll create some custom rate sheets. So if you have special rates for maybe the Department of Justice or some insurance companies, you can create as many custom rate sheets as you like. So give it a name, hit Update to save, and then click Edit, and you'll see that it's blank. So instead of typing everything over again, let's just add the defaults and edit it from there. So you can change resource rates, you can change the attorney rates, you can change the descriptions. I do, however, recommend that you keep your main description column consistent throughout the software, and I'll explain why in just a little bit. Remember to click Update to save your changes and see all of these changes on the resource rates we made. And now, just to review, go back to your Utilities tab and click on Custom Messages so you can see the list of the one you just made. Alright, so there it is. Now let's say we want to create another one, but it's going to be very similar to DOJ. We don't want to type that over and over again. So just click on the DOJ one and hit Duplicate Rate Sheet, and you'll see how it added the line. So now go ahead and change the name to the new one you want and hit Update. And now let's edit that one. And then go in and make whatever changes you need to on this new sheet. You can change resource rates, attorney rates, add some second descriptions if you like, change any of those columns on the right with bonuses and hide, hit Update. And then if you want to browse again, now you see here's your new special custom rate sheets. Add as many of those as you like, duplicate some, you have no limit on those. Now let's learn how to create or assign some special pricing to a client. So go to your Client tab and choose a firm, and then go to the Pricing tab, and on this drop down choose Firm Custom. Now go in here and change as many rates as you need to. You can change the attorney rate, the court reporter rate, any of that you need to. And don't forget to update to save your work. Another option would be to assign an existing custom rate sheet to this firm. So in the same process, you click the drop down and then just double click on whichever existing custom rate sheet you have, and it will be assigned to that specific firm. Before I get into the next one, it's important to note that every agency pays differently. Some pay the same flat rate for all their resources, others are a percentage of a flat rate, and then yet others, every single resource has their own specific rates. That's the one we're going to deal with right now, is assigning special pricing to individual resources. So first let's go to your Resource tab, choose someone, and then make sure their commission is at 100%. Then we're going to click Special Pricing, just like the other ones. Import your defaults. These are your regular resource rates, and now we're going to assign all the special resource rates to this particular person. We'll go ahead and change a few of these, and I'm just picking random rates, so don't pay attention to that part. Just put it whatever you want it to be, and then don't forget to click Update to save your work. Now remember earlier I said I'd tell you why it's important to keep your descriptions consistent throughout. It's because when we try to assign these special rates to you, it has to match up with the line item description that you've given all of your other custom rate sheets and special rate sheets for clients or your defaults. It has to know where to put it, so it's important that those stay consistent throughout. So now that we have these special rate sheets, let me show you how to implement them. So if we're going to go to a job, and you can see here that this particular law firm, they had their own special pricing, but so did the court reporter. So create your invoice, and you can see that all new invoices default straight to the regular default rate sheet. Now let's choose our attorney. This attorney has special rates, and see how it changed to Firm Custom with all the different rates. So now let's click on a few of these items and you'll see how it adds them over here to the left. I'm just going to pick some random items. And we'll give them some quantities. And now click Update to save it. And you'll see that the rates are what they belong for that law firm. But if we have a court reporter that has their own special rates, we need to assign those as well. So all you do is click ASRR, Assign Special Resource Rates, and now it will automatically change the resource rate to the ones for that particular resource. And that's why it's important that all those line item descriptions stay the same so it knows which line to apply it to.